Hello everyone. Today I show you how to fix a flat the easier and inexpensive way. First, this tool here we will definitely need. This is how to fix an easy and inexpensive way. You could pick this up at a regular auto parts store. It's a complete kit that you could purchase. This costs about $10. Comes with everything. You have all the patching tool here. This is basically what we need. Now this is a valve for the air, but we're not going to be using the air. I will show you how to fix it without the air. Now, as we go along here, we got stems. It's a good thing they come with the air tester. You know how much pressure you need in your tire. Now this is the two basic tool here, and I love to have my pliers, my cutting pliers, my Phillips screwdriver, and my flat. These are just extra tools I love to have handy with me. I will show you how to get this flat done. These are basically, if you have like a flat you want to fix on the side of the wall on the tire, you could do so, or the inside, you could put this in the inside of your tire. But in this case we have a screw in the tire that we will try to get fixed now. Okay, we basically will want to just open one. Abide with me, I'm trying to use one hand on the camera and the next hand on the tool here, in the package I would say. Okay, I will cut this. I'm basically trying to peel this off. This will be the glue. Okay. This is one of our patches. Avoid with me, the camera may be shaking. I just want to get this done. Okay. One of the patches here that I'm trying to use. This will be one of the patch. This is what will be going into the tire, and it will blend into the tire as heat penetrates through it. This is our tool here. Now this we're going to put in here and have it laid off here. Just want to pass this through. Bam. So long as you get this done, you're alright. Okay. Try to put it to the center as possible, so when you push this into your tire, you're filling up the entire space. Okay, now we're trying to locate the tire. This is the tire here. We know there's a screw that's on this tire here that we cannot see at this moment, so what we will do is try to move this car, move the tire, roll the tire to have the screw in visible position. There we go. Try to move the screw here. In other words, we're going to roll this tire. We're going to be rolling this tire to fit our, to see our screw where it's located in. So we will start the car. Next, what you do, you start up your car and you try to roll your tire and turn it in an angle where you could basically see the tire. You could see the tire and where the screw is located. Now we're going to turn slowly. We're going to turn the tire and roll. roll the tire, that's all. This is what we're trying to do, roll the tire so we could locate the screw that we wanted to fix. There's another way to do this job here, is actually trying to get a jack on it also. Okay, we located the screw. I'll show you what I mean. Show you what I mean right now. Okay, this is where the screw is. Remember, I rolled backwards. I rolled the tire backwards, and here's the screw. If I could get a shot of this, the screw is right here. Now this is why we have leaks on this tire. Make sure you have lots of air pressure so that you don't lose air as you do this tire here. Now for better access, I will go back a little to have the tire up to here so I can have force in my screw as I turn. Okay, this is what I mean. So I will go back a few steps, go back a little bit more, just to get this tire done. I'll go back a little bit more. Bear with me. I'm trying to do step by step here. Step process. I will go back a little bit more here, just to have the tire, the screw in the opening position. Okay, I think I'm good there. Okay, now I will move this. Trying to get everything here. This is basically a major step in the process here. The major step. Now I got the tire. The tire is here. The screw is here. My hand is free to have access here with my screw gun. Not screw gun, my screwdrivers. So let's get started. This is what we need to do. First, I will try to. Now there's another way you could put water, or you could put, you know, people tend to put a little bit of, I do this, put a little bit of saliva. I see air going through. If that's leaking, then yes. You follow? I'm doing step by step. This is what's so common. It might be a little upsetting to see, but it's good. If you could hear it, I'm losing air right now, but I gotta have to work fast on this. So I will have this. I have to work very fast on this because I don't want to lose a lot of air. What I will do is take this, grab, I will use this flat pliers, grab the, all I want to do is basically to grab the screw, and I will pull the screw out. You hear the air coming out, but I have to mark it so I don't lose what I just did. So now this is what I'm going to be doing. I have to remember that hole, pull, bam. This is to stop the airflow. Stop the airflow there now. See, I push this inside the hole. Now I got the screw out, which is, this is what was inside the tire, all rusted. I did drive a couple thousand miles with it, which is not good, which wasn't too smart what I did, but I did it because I knew what it takes to go flat. Now I will get my tool here, which I already have here. This, in other words, now will go in. I will take this all the way in, and I will pull out, and this is what is going to seal that hole. Okay, I will pull and push. There I go. Pull. Air will be escaping, but all the way in. I have to push this. all the way in. Let's put this back to block the hole. I have to set this to grab a little bit. I have to put this to grab, which is not quite there yet. This will have to go in. Now I will try to get it. I want to push this all the way into the tire, but it's not going to work for me. I have to figure it out. Don't want to lose a lot of air. What I could do is try to reset this. I don't want to lose air, which I tend to be doing right now. I want to put this down so you have the idea what I'm doing. It's going to take me a process, which is not bad. Trying to get this into here. What I want to do now is, see, this has to go in here and loop around all the way. I have to push this in to the tire so it stays. I will go one more time. This is how. One time with force. All the way in, pull out. Force. Okay, abide with me. I will show you how I'm using force into it, just to get it together here. To get this in, but I have to get it to work, which means I'll push this all the way. One more time. See, I'm trying to get this. If I could have shown you, you got to push it all the way in. So I could get that groove, and then I pull out. But I don't want to pull out everything what I put in there. I don't want to lose my ear, which I'm doing. Try it one more time. Push in and pull out. One more time. All the way in. Put this all the way in. But I don't want to pull it out. Okay, look very carefully what I did. I pushed it all the way in, and then I pulled out. Now I left with this. This is what's gonna take the space of that ear. So what I wanna do is cut it. This is basically it. I took this piece, put it up to here, and I push all the way in. So I had access to this piece went here. Push it all the way in the hole, and I pull it out, and it's it takes such a little time that by the time I got the camera up I was done. So now I pull it out. This is successful. This is what's gonna stop the ear and dissolve, or I would say join into the rubber as heat penetrates. Now to get it cut, I could use this pliers here. You want to cut the excess, so when you're driving you don't have a cut. You don't have all that excess overflowing tire to give you a bumpy ride either. That's my fix. So easy. It cost me $9 for the tool, but look how many parts I have left. The tire is done. I fixed it. Now I lost a little air, which I will go put back the air. Not a big deal. That's how easy and inexpensive it is to fix a flat. Alright, love to do all this job here. It's good. Now this is automatically going to be into the tire, which is perfect. Now take my tools back. Come back here. Want to show you this is extra piece I have in case I have that problem again. If I should mash a screw, I take this. I do the same process. Take out the screw with this screwdriver. Then I blocked it, the air from coming out, with this tool that they give in their kit. And then I take this and connect it to my air tool, or the tire tool I would say, which is this. Take this, put it in here just a little bit, so when you push in it's easy to pull out. So this is basically what this is. I will put this back in my kit so I can reuse it. Now I could reuse it. Now check this out. It's so many tires I could do. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do 9 more tire fix with this kit. And these are sold separately. Once you have this, it's cheaper. This is just maybe $1, $2. Save yourself lots of money. An easy and inexpensive way to fix your flat. Close everything back. Bam. The little kit is ready for another tire service. Thank you for watching. Once again, that's my tire. Put some air inside, right here. Put some air. Make sure I check my valve. The kit comes with extra valve. I lose this off, and I put air inside. Then I come back, and I use this gauge, the tire gauge, to check how many pressure I got there. Alright? Thanks again for watching. I hope you did enjoy that little tip of how to fix it yourself. Tire. How you could fix your tire. Easy way, inexpensive. Do it. If I could do it, you could do it too. Bye.